how to do voice overlapping.
A pen and a joffer.
A video is playing and then somebody is making comments on videos. Like before I finish saying something, another thing will start. That's voice overlapping. Wow. Let's get right into the video. The first thing you're going to do is must have downloaded the video that you want to talk about. Make sure that it's highlighted this way. What I want us to do is we'll split the video a bit so that people can hear his voice from the beginning like this.
And you feel that maybe the problem.
Tap this second part, then you reduce the volume completely. Now we're ready to start. Click on audio, on record. I'm going to start recording now, but make sure you always break. This is the gege guy that has been trending lately. You stop the video, give it a little space, continue recording again. He has been scattering the whole internet. Give it space. School of wisdom and understanding. The thing is, Nigerian men are very funny. That's teaching you what to do. So what I'm going to do next, click on the voiceover, increase the volume, then scroll to the side and look for speed. So let's increase the speed to 1.6. I'm going to do the same thing to every one of it. Increase the speed to 1.6 or 1.5 depending on how fast you want it to talk. So after I'm done increasing the volume and then the speed, to bring voiceover 2 downward, same to every of the clip, bring it down, let it overlap and hear how it sounds now.
And you feel that maybe the problem.
Break. This is the gege guy that has been trending lately. He has been scattering the whole internet with the school of wisdom and understanding. The funny thing is, Nigerian men are very funny. This guy just wakes up today and then he starts teaching you what to do. Nigerian men even have mind of their own. Believe me, most relationships will scatter if they keep following this guy. They better have sense. Okay, so that's how to do voice overlapping. So once you're done, you just click on export like this. And there we have it. That's voice overlapping. So please click on subscribe button, like, share. Thank you guys for always watching.